Good morning, Wolfpack. How's everybody this morning? How you guys all doing? Thanks for everybody joining us here this morning on this Thursday. I think it's Thursday, isn't it? I don't know. It's one of those days. I'm pretty sure it is. But hope everybody's doing well. I can see a commercial in the background. Get off there. So, a little bit of a pullback on AMC, I see. But it looks like we're back in the green again. What did we have? Was it down 5? I think it was yesterday. I was looking at it. Let's have a look here. Did any of you guys go see the Christopher? You did. Did you go see the Matrix last night, my friend? How was it? Is the question. I was thinking about that. I was thinking about you, buddy. Sunday, good afternoon. Nah, no kidding, eh? For everybody in the UK, it is the afternoon. So, wow. Right on, guys. So, anyways, do you guys have any questions first thing? I'm just gonna... What I'm gonna do is I didn't get a chance to post our stuff to our other channel. So, I'll let you guys, if you have any questions at all, anything that you want to ask, just throw it on the chat bar. I'll give you guys a couple minutes here to get some stuff up there, and I'm just going to paste our links up on other platforms here while we have the time. Did you got 8 Matrix on your Android? Yeah, I know. I was thinking about watching it this morning too, my friend. I was thinking about this weekend I was gonna watch it. Hey, Cameron. Oh, good for you, brother. You're doing the same as me. I'm donating a bunch of money to the animal shelter too, my friend. Good for you, man. Yeah, because animals don't have a say, man. There's a lot that are having issues and stuff, right? Good call, buddy. Good call. Just make sure when you donate to these shelters and all these, if you're donating to people and stuff in need, to go directly to the source. Don't donate to these things on TV, man. None of it makes it to the people, right? It goes to admission. It goes to all. The money gets just distributed through all these other people. I'm not saying it's a bad idea, but it just, if you want it to go directly to the cause and not to filling other people's pockets that made these societies, it's just the way it is. It's like that ever since the beginning of this stuff, right? People are always got their hands in stuff. So, yeah. So let's get going here. Okay, copy that, do this. Whoa, that was bright. There, push that so we don't get echoing. Okay, here, finally got to the page here. I'm a little bit behind here, guys, this morning. The wife went out shopping yesterday, and holy crow, the whole kitchen. I fell asleep on the couch. I was so tired after work, right? As I usually do. I was watching the news hour and that. Holy crow, the internet's slow this morning. And, wow, is it ever slow? Come on. Really? Okay. It's going to be like that this morning, is it? So anyways, yeah, she went to... what was I going to say? Yeah, she went shopping, and holy crow, the whole kitchen's just like full of stuff, man. That's what happens when I don't go with her. She goes crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh, there we go, finally. I just got a notice on the door last night when I came home that TELUS, our internet provider, is the cables are all run in the building by the contractors, like I said a couple of weeks ago, right? The 28th, they're hooking up our fiber. So finally Finally. Can't smell this morning. Oh. So, that's good stuff. It'll help. It'll help with the little things, right? Oh, like this crap. Like, come on, really? Like, it takes so long. There we go. Finally, it, like, pasted a link. Like, wow. And thanks for everybody. I'm just on Twitter right now. Thank you for all the subs on Twitter. There's a lot of you that follow us on Twitter now. So I'm not on, like, just so you guys know, I'm not on Twitter all the time. I just go on here to just pretty much paste our links to our channel. Yeah, if you guys, if you have an Android box, man, there's a thing called APK time. Okay, it's what I use for my channels. I put that on the Android box, and you can download. There's probably like 150 apps on there. You can download live TV apps, movie apps. That's the one, APK time. Okay, just go to your browser and just look for it. It's an APK, and just download it, and then open it up, my friend. And there you go. There's the Holy Grail. That has everything on it. That's what I use. If you guys, I was kind of eavesdropping on your conversation. Okay, we're almost just paste on Wall Street Breakers here. Put up a flare for these guys. We'll go to, bam. We'll just rock over to some Reddit, AMC mods. There's only 700 members in there, but they're all right, I guess. They got some good DD in there. Okay, so enough screwing around with that. We are get rid of that, and back onto the chart. Any interesting work stories? Funny work? Oh, yeah, I got one for you. Okay. I've been if you guys want to, yeah, I do. I got a good one, man. So anyways, I'm using this wire welding machine. It's called an LN25. Okay, it has I'm using a 0.45 wire. That's the diameter of the wire, the wire that we use in the machine. It's a spool of wire. It feeds through the wire through into a tube. When you're welding, it pushes the wire through and it deposits into a puddle, which makes a weld. Okay. So what I've been is I have this company. Okay, I used to work for this company like 15 years ago. Okay, they were huge. Like this fucking, they did everything. It's the company is called Iron Place, right? Iron Mountain. Okay, the company. So back in the day, they've switched names now, but so anyways. There's 3 owners. They split up. I don't know the story. So anyways, this other individual bought the company. Well, they all pillaged it. They stole all the good shit out of the company. So I get hired to this company, right? The company's only like, I think 3-4 months old, right? It's an old company, but like I said, they got pillaged. All the shit got stolen, all the good stuff. So they took all the good stuff off of all the welding machines. And what happened was, I come along, right, and I'm going to weld on these machines. This machine's just messing up. All of a sudden, the wires just like, it calls a bird's nest inside the machine. So I fix it. I'm serious, like 40 times, okay? So it's to the point, yesterday, I finally got this beam welded that I was welding, these structural beams for this. What it is it's for Okay, you know in the oil patch, you know those control rooms that they climb up into and then they can check the monitor, the gas, and all that stuff for the pipes that come up? It's one of those rooms that's a structural four-legged thing with the stairs coming up. That's what I'm building right now. They're going to fly it, and they're going to use helicopter, and they're going to take it into the oil patch and drop it off, right, in a disclosed location. I don't even know. So the prints are like this thick book of prints, right? So anyways, the guy I'm working with is, he's about 5 years younger than me. No, maybe a little bit younger. But really, really good guy. Like, we just hit it off, right? Awesome guy, awesome guy. We became really good friends, like, in a couple days, right? It's like us having a piece. We're building this company. So the company's just, the office never come, they come down and say, they ask us what we need. So they're really good, really good. I'm blown away, right? So anyways, me and this guy are like just starting, buying little pieces. So anyways, this welding machine, I guess a month previous, a couple days previous, there was a guy in there that he fired, right? Because he just couldn't do it. He was welding with no welding helmet on. Like, the guy did not know what he was doing. So he came to work the next day, and his eyes, he couldn't see. He burnt his eyes, right? It burns the skin off your eyes, and you can actually go blind permanently, okay? So the moral of the story is, he turns to me after this machine's fucking up, right? Just totally mess, right? I'm freaking out. Remember, I already threw it across the room on the first day. I grabbed the machine and just threw it across the shop, right? I was so pissed off. And you're a welder? Yeah, buddy. Jonathan, I'm a welder, millwright, machine operator. I got fucking, I've showed you my stack. I got a stack of tickets, man. I've been doing oil patch work. I own my own welding company, CS Welding Incorporated. That was my business. It was one of the biggest welding companies in Vancouver at the time when I was a kid. And then I actually folded the company because workers, I couldn't find proper workers. A lot of them were smoking crack and shit at work, and it cost me a lot of money. We had problems with the drug epidemic up here, and it just, to the point where they were doing it at work, and I couldn't rely on anybody. It cost me some $1 million contracts, and I just had enough of it. I said, fuck this shit, and I folded it, and so I have a bunch of my tools still. So bottom line is, so that's just the moral of the story of my welding company. And I got the certifications on the wall to show, like, I always tell how it is, right? So anyways, back to the story. So the guy that I'm working with, I'm not going to mention his name because he is actually a member on our channel now. Everybody is on my work. But anyways, and I've already talked to him about the squeeze. Don't worry about it. I pretty much, me and him run the shop. I can take time off whenever I want, okay? It is all good. So, anyways, he goes to me, he goes, at the end of the day, like 10 minutes before the end of the day, the welder messes up again. I just replaced everything on it, all brand new except the actual physical box, right? And so anyways, I'm welding away. It arcs out inside. It melts the wire right to the tip. I'm like, fuck, shit, damn it, damn, I'm just bouncing around, right? I'm just like, so, like, my veins are probably bulging out of my face, right? I'm so mad. So anyways, I calm down, and he goes, Cam, I forgot to tell you, I just remembered when I looked over at you, and you were like, literally like this far off the ground, your feet, you were so pissed off. I just remembered, that welder's broken. That guy that I laid off, or got rid of a couple weeks ago, he was having the same problem. I'm like, are you fucking kidding? Are you kidding? You took 10 years off my life, man. So he goes, so this morning, so yeah, anyways, the moral of the story is this morning I'm going to make a new welder out of all this junk. I got a machine that I've got my eye on across the room that I'm going to rip apart. I'm going to put all these parts on it so I can actually get some friggin' work done. But it is what it is. I banged off some work. They're blown away with some of the work I've welded. I've got a couple of the pieces welded. I'm not going to take pictures right now and stuff. I was going to. It's just because I'm under. I need to get this shit done. Like, I'm well, not behind. I'm actually ahead. Believe it or not, I'm ahead with all this messing up. So enough about the story. Anyways, do you have any questions? I'm going to go through this here, my friends. Ricky. Good morning, Ricky. I seen you at the bottom there, brother. Holy crow. Wow, busy this morning. Okay, guys. Good morning, Jay, Sanjay, Christopher, Lean the Lion, Jonathan. Mr. L, good morning, brother. We got the rags in here this morning. Sanjay, Proud. Good morning, Proud. I know it's a little early for you guys. Gloria, I think you guys are all starting to find that I'm on a little bit. Warren, good morning. Jason, good morning, brother. I know you're at work. You're the same as me, man. You're working. Good morning, Christopher. Yeah, sorry about the story time. I know you guys like the stories. But Rico, good morning. Lord, good morning. Rick 716, good morning. Rush, good morning. Blacka? Sorry, I'm pronouncing that. MC, good morning. I'm just gonna call you Rush, man. It's easier. Yeah, and yes. Thank you, Wolves, for coming in this morning and hanging out. Let's get into some good shit here. I'll do the story time in the mornings for you if you want a little bit. I'll tell you what's up and that. I wanted to say thank you. Today is I guess yesterday was the deadline for the videos sent to the channel. Thank you, my friends. And thank you, moderators. I really appreciate all the hard work. You've been totally taking my load off of my shoulders. I really respect that. I got a little something for you guys for Christmas. I'm gonna have to get it to you somehow. It's nothing like crazy, but yeah. I really appreciate all the stuff that you guys are doing. And guys, just so you know, these moderators, Christopher and Sanjay, are really stepped up to the plate. I've blown my mind on this stuff that they've been holding this channel together. I kind of dumped the bag on them a bit. And I picked the right people. Not that saying that any of you couldn't have done a just as good of a job. I'm just saying that they've been with us pretty much since the beginning. And it is what it is, right? So, yeah. I just want to say that you guys were all band together as one whole. And, wow, we are so prepared. Like, the emails I'm getting and stuff are so good at questions. We got a lot of Canadians coming into this channel now, which is good. We only had like a 2% influx because I get the statistics. Okay, most of the channel is American, which is fucking awesome. I love the Americans, right? You guys are good shits. But yeah, like it's just it's growing around like little corners of the world. We've got quite a few people from Italy. I think our little brother in Italy is pumping the shit out of this channel. So yeah, we got a lot of people from Italy for some reason coming into the channel, which is pretty cool, man. I would love to go to Italy, and the UK, of course. So yeah, I just wanted to say that I'm seeing a little bit of a growth here, and I just wanted to say welcome to everybody to the channel. And yeah, look at this up pull. We're getting a little. Look at this right here. That's a good rate there. It's after hours. You can't really do indicators, and as you know, indicators are off the table for AMC unless they're like right to the minute, like for the next 5-10 minutes, and then they're off the table. Because of obviously all the bullshit that we're tied into with dark pools, high frequency ladder attacks, all that crap. Okay, so this one stock I'm catching out of the corner of my eye is trying to rip after hours, guys. This one right here, SOPA. It just popped above the VWAP. I just got a signal on my board here. I just got a signal because I have it set up for day trading, eh? Because you guys wanted to learn a little bit on this. If you guys are in day trading, this is not financial advice, but I jump right on this motherfucker right now. Right now. You guys wanted to learn how to do this? This is it. It just popped 1% since I started talking about it. This thing is gonna rip when it hits open market in about a half an hour. 40 minutes. okay? Just be careful. It's not financial advice. You guys just wanted me to show what I look for. That's strictly what I'm talking about. I'm not saying go buy this. You're going to make millions on this shit. No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that you guys wanted me to show you how to day trade, okay? So you wanted me to show you the signs I look for, okay? Because after this, I'm gonna put 5,000 aside. I thought about this today, and I'm gonna do some day trading. Okay, we're gonna do some live day trading. On oh fuck, I work all the time. Huh. I could do it from my work. Yeah, Mr. Elda VWAP, it just shows the volume increase. That's all it is, guys. It just so you're aware, you probably already know this, and if you don't, the VWAP, it just shows that it's above average, okay? That there's an influx of volume. So that's one of the signs you look for. It is having a self. So if this holds up into the 3s, 4s, what you're going to see is you're going to see an indicator across the board, okay? You're going to see this thing should do a pump up into the 4. Well, I was just going to say into the 4, maybe 5s right now, which it's doing right now. So, like, I'm not into this stock at all. I'm being very transparent. This is an educational period this morning. I'm going to start. If you guys have questions, this question came up yesterday. I think T was asking this. He wants to know a little bit about this. Oh, Morals, what's up? I know you're probably been lost with the new times. I'm sorry, guys. I try to get it out there. It tells you on the channel, but I know some of it's like I think that on Apple, I think it's a little bit less information they're showing on their stuff. But it's all good, man. Well, it'll come on here, and if you guys want to. See, we're gonna kick 5 right now. Okay, remember I said it was gonna hit 4. Now here we go. We're gonna kick 5. We just jumped up. Might have a little bit. Nope. Here we go. There we go. 5. We just hit 5. See how good I am at this shit, man. See? So yeah, this is definitely a buy. I would be all over this motherfucker right now. I'd dump 10 grand in this morning if it was me. But that's me. Don't do what I'm doing. Okay, so we're hit this crack 6 now. So this thing could go up 100%, 80, 100% as soon as the market opens. Okay, that's all I'm showing you guys. It's strictly, I would use a stock simulator, do a fake, set up your fake shit on this. Go, even use Webull. I know we fucking hate Webull. It sucks. Okay, I don't do anything with it. I do not put money into it. I don't do anything. I use their stock. They have a good stock screener. I don't know about TradingView, if they have a good simulator, but go and use their simulator. Practice, guys. Go set it up this morning. You have enough time to set it up right now, before market opens. Go into it. I think you get $1 million to play with. Go in there and invest. Put 100,000 on this right now. Okay, fake money, of course, and see what it does. Sit there for the day playing with it. Cash in, cash out, cash in, play with it, swing trade the shit out of this thing, man. See what you're made of, okay? And then the next morning, go pick another stock. I'll help you with one, and then if we see one come up on the board, and then pick another stock of your choice, split the screen into 2. Try swing trading 2 stocks, okay? And just remember, you want to cash out, hey, Boston Strong. Was it your pick too? Yeah. I just have my indicators set on it, so you can set these things, right? So they'll flash on your screen. I know we're a little bit different this morning. We're just teaching how to paper hand swing trade, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Okay, day trading, that's what I call it. You have to remember one key factor one of the main key factors that I hold, and this is no matter what. I don't give a fuck if the stock's ripping. I do not wait until the last hour to execute my positions, okay? Because you're dealing with a lot of people across. We're talking millions of people that are doing this, okay? What can happen is you can see a crash near the last hour and a half. I'm usually out of my position the latest 10:30, 11. 11's even pushing it, okay? I'm done. Like 10:30, 11. I'm fucking done, right? Like when I do this, like I'll do this when I go to Mexico, I'll usually swing trade just for something to do on the side while the wife's sleeping, right? It just keeps me busy. I go down to the beach. I sit down there with my laptop, right? This is before I had my channel, right? So I'd go down there, have my coffee, sit there. I'd have about 3, maybe 4. Sometimes I usually wouldn't do 4. 4 is pretty stressful. But then as soon as it starts getting warm out, right, I'll go sit in the shade under a cover, and I'd finish my positions, right? And then sometimes I'd lose, sometimes I'd win, right? The majority of the time I'd win because would sit there and look at these stocks. I know the signs. Okay, guys, I'll get off of this. We're gonna get onto something else here. I just wanted to show you guys that because a lot of you are interested in this day trading, and just remember one thing. You only can day trade 3 times in the 5-day period, okay? Unless you have, I think it's 24 or 25. I can't remember. Sorry for the smoke. Welcome to the Snoop Dogg channel here, guys. Snoop Dogg's in the house. Sorry about that. Fucking smoke haze here. So yeah, just remember that. You can buy, sell. And then if you buy, you can't sell again, okay? And this thing could collapse back down. You could lose all your money. Just remember that. Unless you have into your trading account, and make sure it's the right account, okay? Margin account, I think it's called. It's different in Canada and the States, okay? They're 2 different terminologies. I know that for a fact. Make sure you check into it. So that's what I do. I'll just pay. I usually pay for my trip plus when I'm down there. Sometimes I'll bounce through the, like, what's that, Tasmanian devil, woo, into the room when I do good with my wife, bouncing on the bed. Oh, fuck, she loves it when I do that. Yeah, she loves it when I do that. When I win good money, I turn into a kid. I run around and, oh man, it's sickening. It's sickening. So you'll see me on AMC. You've seen that one day when it started ripping. I was all in a good mood bouncing around here. So let's have a look at everything else here. Ooh, Suncor Energy's having a good pull. Woo! Yeah! Sorry guys, I gotta go check my dividend plays here. Yeah, they're having a good pull. Overturned only 0.34. Fuck, that's insane, man. This stock, look at this, overturns 0.34%. Nothing. And pulls out another buck. Jesus Christ. Another 1.13%. Only a 0.3. That's what you need. You need that stuff, my friends. Okay, let's go back to the chart. Okay, crypto's going up a little bit. Cardano's up 3%. Do you guys want me to look at anything? Throw something up. If you guys want me to look, okay, okay, I'll see some questions on here. It's easier for me to read off the big screen here. I'll take this mouse over here so and then I can answer on this one. It has me locked out on this screen because it thinks I'm an imposter. It thinks I'm not part of the channel through our studio software. It's locked because it's only members only or subs only on our channel. So it thinks I'm an imposter. It thinks I'm trying to steal shit off the channel. So, okay, I'm saying, okay. Oh yeah, Proud. I did see something this morning with you. I'm calling on the phone with them now. Change of heart. I'm staying with E-Trade because I can trade pre-market. Okay. Just be careful with that, guys. Just remember about your account. Hey guys, after reading some of the stuff with the DTC and how corrupt they are, we where do I see AMC going? I still see it going for a rip, my friend. I still see it go for a rip. But these big figures that people are talking about, these high unrealistical, I do not see that happening. I'm very, very more strong in that. Okay? And with these Moros, you didn't see yesterday. Did you get a notice from your broker? They're hitting everywhere. Even I got an influx of emails yesterday. It's not just Robinhood, Webull, the small, well, I shouldn't say they're smaller. Well, yeah, I guess they are to some, but they're getting these things saying that they're only guaranteed your money up to like $500,000. Some of them say 100,000. 250,000 cash. Well, that's a little concerning. So, definitely share recovery is definitely playing a full factor into our trading now. And yes, Proud, every vote. Yeah, she's right. She is so right. I don't think any brokers are good in a squeeze. Yes, she's right. She's right. I'm worried a little bit about mine too. I am with one of the biggest banks in Canada. Okay, and I'm with one of those zero trading platform fucking bullshit that's been coming up in the last 4 or 5 years. Those are the companies that are scary. Okay, I'm with them too. I'm up in Canada, right? You have to remember, down in the States, it's easier to sue people. Up here in Canada, where our government are like little bitches, okay? They have all these caps on shit. You only can sue for this. Like, look at my neck. I only got $500,000 for my fucking neck, man. I've got a broken friggin' neck. I rear-ended. It was broken. Was in a wheelchair. Couldn't walk. And I only get like fucking 4 years' wages. Like 3-4 years' wages. Like, come on, man. Seriously? Like, I should have gotten like 5-6. If I was in the States, I would have been fucking probably 3-4 million minimal cap. Minimal. The bottom, right? For that. Yeah, and I got capped out, man, by the government. It was a government cap that did that to me. So it is what it is. I'm not complaining. I can walk still, and it is what it is. So, yeah, you guys are nailing the numbers, man. And you could go higher. I hope it goes to up in the higher. I'll say it. Fuck it, 10. Okay, I hope it goes to 10. I'm talking a number on here, yes, and I never do that. I'm not going to keep on going back and forth with numbers. I hope it cracks that. Fuck yeah. I only see it staying on that for a couple seconds, guys. A minute, okay? It's only going to touch these numbers, okay? But that's out. You guys are going to have your shit together. CD, what's up? Brothers in the house. Yes, I would wait. Citizen, I would wait. Yes. In our private conversation on video chat, like we discussed, my friend, yeah. I would definitely wait the 5 minutes because it could have a tank, okay? Like, there's false indicators on this shit with day trading. I would definitely watch. What's it up right now? Fuck, I wish I could stay here and just open with you guys, man. It really bothers me. What's it at right now? Oh, fuck, it's up to 7:30. Yeah, I called that. Remember, I called that this morning. I said this thing's going to fucking rip. It's up 8%. It just cracked 8 and then just went back down. She's hot. This thing's hot. It's a hot stock right now. It's going to pump, guys. So just be careful. You only can buy, sell, and then you're good for the day. If it does anything through it's the end of the week anyways. Just be careful. Don't do your buy-in on your third because you can't sell it. The thing can collapse and you cannot sell till Monday. Okay? Just be careful of that. Okay? Naked. Oh yeah, what's Naked doing? Somebody said stock split yesterday or something. Holy fuck. Ho 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 ho. Look at that. It doesn't know what to do. Holy shit. It did go up to $6. Naked went up to $6 from 40 something cents. It did. It went after hours. It climbed from 47 cents pop. It's not in a squeeze though, my friends. That is not a squeeze. Okay, very, very, very know that this is not in a squeeze. Okay, this is not squeeze. It's not squeezing. It would not have this if it was in a squeeze. Okay, this thing would be going up. Like, we're talking thousands of percent after hours. That's where you see the damage, okay? It is undecided what it's going to do. This is uncertainty, it's called, okay? That's what this is. It's scary. That is scary, okay? Nobody knows what the fuck it's doing. People are buying in, people are selling, buying in, selling. It's pretty much what they're buying in is selling, the same, okay? So nobody knows. It did have a pull down at the end of the beginning, but then it shot back up. I'm just having a look. I didn't look at this. I'm just looking at it. Okay, so about midday, at 9:30 in the morning, it must have got retail investors going. Okay, it went up. That must have hit the Pacific Coast. the time frame when the traders are all getting into work. About 9:30 is when all the brokers and stuff and people are getting into their computers and stuff. And I'm talking for Pacific Coast. And you guys know, right? That's when the firms all open up and stuff. So just be careful. This I would be very careful on, guys. This I'm just saying, could collapse this morning. Okay, we've seen this lots. I would wait. If you're already in on this, you should have pulled your position last night. If you're day trading this, if you haven't and you're just new to this and you didn't pull your position, be careful. Have your fucking broker loaded first thing in the morning when that market opens. If it starts going, because you would be in the money. You would have had to be in the money, unless, well, maybe not, unless you bought up here, like at 1 in the after or 10 in the morning. But that, like I'm saying, just be ready, because you can you can sell your position right away. Cam question. Yeah, Sanjay. Spot split yesterday. Yeah, that's Steve. That's what we were hearing. Yeah. Yeah, my last set of shares will be grade 2, brother. On my 3-system tier. Yeah, naked. Yeah, it did have it did. Yeah, that's right, Steve. This one is naked. The other one is SOPA. This one's hot right now. This one's gonna fucking rip, guys. So that is up to you what you're gonna do. Just remember, this is not financial advice, okay? What do you want to know, Sanjay? What's up, brother? Am I missing something? Do you guys got questions and I'm fucking up here this morning? Okay, I'm just gonna read some stuff here, my friends. Okay, because we got a lot of questions. Pawn, are you serious? You have to remember, I wrote an email. Duh. Fucking retard this morning, man. When I'm fucking stupid when it comes to this. Do you guys want me to leave this on SOPA right now, or do you want me to go to AMC? Like, AMC's not doing anything. It's just stale right now, right? It's just, it is what it is. Not saying it's a stale stock. I'm just saying after hours. Where is the fucking thing anyways? Yeah, it's sitting at 0.52. I'll leave this on this one because it looks like a bunch of you are going to enter into the market this morning, it looks like. As I can tell what you guys are up to. You wouldn't be picking my brain like this. So Apefather, I wrote him an email. Okay, probably about 2 paragraphs. It was a pretty long email. It was on my phone. My fingers were sore after I was done. I should have done it on the computer. But I wrote him an email because the guy's just getting shit on. Okay, he's getting bullied across the market. I do have my thing with him. I don't hate anybody unless they actually do harm to my family or to the channel. And then, yeah, hatred comes out instantly. You guys know me, right? But it takes a lot. He has done nothing. He's done some things in the past. Like I said, the guy has a disease, man. I even mentioned that in the letter. Not in a mean way, okay? Because people have that stuff when they're born. They don't even know, okay? They just think that people are out to get them and shit, right? Like, but yeah, I told him, and I wrote that in the letter, he's reflecting on our letter. Wow. He's actually growing. Okay, I told him that what you're doing is putting these numbers out there. You're gonna hurt your people on your channel. So wow, Pawn, that is fucking huge. You just made my day by saying that. Okay, so let's. I have AMC shares in. Can't withdraw money till 59. Kim, I know nothing. Roth, yes. Yeah, Roth. Yeah. That's a states only thing, I think. Maybe you can. I don't know. That's not in Canada. We have a tax-free savings account here. Oh, wow. Edward, thank you. Merry Christmas, my friend. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I appreciate that. So, I'm going to read whatever you guys got going here. I hope it hits 1,000. Mr. L, I could see it hitting that for sure. For sure. It's going to hit that. Okay, and it'll probably go higher. We're not going to discuss the numbers, so you guys know that. I can just say, I'm not saying the number on there. I'm just saying straight up that, yeah, oh, wow. Mr. Edward dropped some gold coins into our stocking. The Wolfpack stocking. That was kind of cool. I never seen that come down there like that. That must be a Christmas special set up from Streamlabs. There you go. I put you up on the board, brother, for some advertisement for you. Whatever you guys got going here. Whoops. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm gonna read some questions here. We're running out of time here. I'm only on for a couple more minutes. Okay, what are the expectations for today and tomorrow on the market since we are heading into Christmas? I think it's gonna stay a little stale, except you're gonna have these pushes. You have to remember, people want to make money before Christmas. SOPA depends on what you're doing with it. I would not hold that long. I'll say it again, do not hold that long. That is not financial advice. You will screw yourself, okay? Play with it and get out, okay? Just get in there and do whatever you want to do. I would not hold that. It is not a lifetime investment, okay? It's screwed with. You can tell, okay? It is having a down pull though, guys. Just watch it. Like T said, Citizen, watch it. Wait exactly 5 minutes. Do the countdown. Okay, do it on a real stock stimulator or a stock screener. If you're gonna do this, make sure it's the real time. It's not 15-minute delay. And I would wait the 5 minutes to see what happens. If you start seeing a negative pull, you know what to do. If you start seeing an increase immediately, there you go. Okay. And you won't lose your wave. You might lose a couple percent. If it starts ripping and going like fucking up like 30, 10, 20, 30, obviously you know what to do right away, right? But if it's stale and it's just doing this thing like this, just sit there patiently and just wait. But if it starts going like right to the moon, well then that's obvious. That's an indicator, right? Just remember to pull out at the end of the day, my friends. Or else you'll screw yourself. Christmas is coming, right? Warren. Warren has hatred on for AF. It's all good. It's all good. I'm trying to be... Sanjay likes AF. Yeah, Pawn. I think my message, I wrote him a nice email wishing his family a Merry Christmas and all that stuff. I know he watches our channel. 100%. 100%. But it is what it is. Okay, I started going down. Okay, Steve. Okay. Well, so we go over $20. Boston Strong, I don't know. What's it at right now? It could, but we're seeing signs right now that it could. It's almost touching the VWAP. We've lost a lot of volume. It's losing steam, guys, just so you know. But who knows? This is just inside trading. This is after hours trading. This is not us, okay? When it hits here, this is us, and we'll see what happens. You just got to watch the markets, my friends. I'm just telling you what my warning. I had a warning bell go off, or not a bell, but a flash go off on that stock because I have it set up. I went and reconfigured this chart for you guys. There's a lot of day traders that are started that want to start day trading on the channel, and I told you I would help you guys. Oh, we're going to touch the VWAP. I'd be very careful when you enter this market now. Okay? So yeah, the volume's dropping. Just be careful. You guys know what to do. Don't put yourself into a position, okay? Just remember, money's hard to come by nowadays. Okay. Well, it is past our time anyways. I'm going to give you guys a couple more minutes here. Any questions at all? Okay. I'm going to let you guys... send that same letter to Al. Yeah, is he back on full steam ahead? Yeah, he just, yeah. You guys know how I feel about him. He does have a lot of good information. About 80% of it is, but yeah, just. The VWAP, guys. Sanjay, good one. The VWAP is there for day traders, my friends. That's what the symbol is for. It's there for other stuff. When you start seeing this on the bottom of the screen, see my cursor down here? When you see this green, okay, you can set this. This is the VWAP chart, okay? This is the VWAP indicator, okay? When you start seeing this green like this, that's positive volume. Remember I said volume? Everybody's like, oh, it's up 200,000 in volume. Volume is good volume and bad volume combined into volume. That's what it shows. The VWAP will distinguish and rip it apart and put good and bad by these indicators, okay? I should have told you guys this months ago. Sorry about that. So what this is showing negative pull right now. Like, it's not good, okay? So if this switches up, we're pulling away from the VWAP now, okay? So when this in the market opens, if you have this on there, just put your VWAP indicator. Every stock screener should have it. So what you'd go is up here, and you look in here. There's the macro. Is that the macro? Oh, that's the MA. Okay, sorry, MACD. Sorry, correct. That is to do with the VWAP, but MACD. That's what you want to check off on your indicators. Okay. So that will kick this. This will give you an indication of what is happening, if it's good volume or bad volume, okay? And then you go off your VWAP too. You got multiple indicators that help you here. You have to remember that they won't give you the final answer. They indicate, okay? They indicate. That's why they're called indicators, okay? They'll indicate what is happening. Check out Blue. Okay, I think he's trying to get on trades to convince people. Okay. How do I pick a penny stock? Proud, that one. What are you doing with it? Are you just gonna day trade it, or are you talking like to like weekly trade it to make some money? There's two different things there. Or to hold it long is kind of hard to figure out. That one I can't really judge. But yeah, out of those two, which one, Proud? Which one do you want to do? Day trade it, or do you want to just hold it for a week and make some money? Okay, check out BLU. Okay, this is the last one, my friends, and I gotta get to work here. Good thing my Dodge has a 5.7 liter Hemi in it. It flies, man. Especially when it's cold out. Oh, that exhaust sounds good. If you guys are like truck lovers, then you know. Sounds good. That dual exhaust. Down the freeway. Yeah, it sounds good. Because you have to remember, I'm in the mountains, man. It echoes off the trees in the mountains. I roll down my window sometimes and kick floor it down the road. Yeah, it sounds good. Until you see red lights and blue lights behind you. Okay? Okay. I don't. Okay. It had a huge something happen here after hours, guys. Something plunged. Okay, it looks like it had a pretty good go. Let's do a pullback on this, guys. Is this the right one? Health? Make breakfast money? So you want to day trade it? Exactly what I was talking about before, Proud. What I was looking for is those indicators. If you need to, and the video is not that long. See, that's the good thing about these shorter videos. You can play it back. What I would do is, Proud, I would just listen to the video again. And right from the beginning, and I teach you guys a couple of little indicators and how to use it. I just don't have time. Like, I'm actually over right now. I'm probably going to be late for work a bit, but I don't really care. So, to some degree. So, this thing has had a kick up about a week ago? Yeah, about a week ago. A kick up, but it's been going, it's been side trading. It looks like it's going to have a pull down here when the market opens, though it's going to kick down, guys. So, what is it? I don't like just leaving a stock without giving you guys some info on here. Okay, the high 8, low high was 9, so it has potential to go up. It's pretty much at its highest right now. It only overturns it overturns a low percentage of the day, which really doesn't mean anything. It does, but it doesn't, right? So it's pretty much. Hey, I give this stock a not bad. I give it 80%. It's high and low. Okay, look at the high. Oh, just hang on a second. It's in its high right now. I don't even know what the fuck this is. Oh, it's a health. I'd be careful with this one because these These things can get pushed and they can go back down. Okay, anything with pharmaceutical or clouds or 5G content, like the 5G towers, you got to be careful with those ones. Okay, they're really versatile. Okay, the stronger ones are the oil sector, the oil patch sector are really good stocks. The lumber industry goes up and down, but it goes slowly. It doesn't collapse, right? Those stuff like renewable resources, investing in the mines, but do your research on that stuff. Those are very good ones. Does this have any dividend? I didn't even look. Yeah, see, there's no dividend on this, so you don't have any protection. Okay, if this had a dividend play into it, you have a little bit more protection. I'm more going, because of the fraudulent activity across the market, I'm more shifting towards dividend plays. If your stock collapses, you're still getting that royalty. If they're pulling in harsh money on their quarters, you can just go back like a year or two on the quarters. If you see it's sustaining or making more, you know your money's safe. If your money goes down on the stock, right, you're gonna lose money there, but only if you sell. If your money goes down here, it really doesn't. Mine goes down there and I lose 50%, it sucks, right? But it doesn't change your dividend. Does that make any sense to you guys? You're still cracking off dividend money, right? And if you're in it for life, it's going to do that anyways, right? As long as they don't lose money during their quarters or annually, okay? If they keep on producing, they're producers, then you're going to do good, right? And I'm wrapping this, guys. I got to go. Okay, Wolfpack, love you. And you guys are on the right track. You guys are pretty smart, right? You guys are learning. Good questions. Keep these questions up in the morning because I will answer them. Okay, my friends? Let's end this with AMC Entertainment Holdings on the 1 minute candle. And side action. For this today, I see it. We lost yesterday. I can't see us going any lower. And if it is, I only see a 1 or 2%. I can't see them pulling this down any lower. I hope I'm fucking wrong. I like it when I'm wrong in that way. Okay, guys? Try not to stress out on this shit. We do hold the gold, okay? On this, I'm not changing my position on this at all, okay? I might even, first payday, I might even show you guys how serious I am about this. I'm going to dump some of my new paycheck in this, okay? We'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, my friends, I love you all, Wolfpack. Peace. I'm out of here, and I'm watching you guys from work. Okay, see you tomorrow morning. See